Hi and welcome in my new episode. We shall see what we can do now, and we shall see if this is worth something for you guys and girls, of course. Please look, and if you can comment. Thank you. See ya.
Hello, how are you again? This is my new movie about repairing computer this time, notebook, like someone's call it. Trouble with this equipment is like my favorite trouble, because this little computer was have a contact with beer, and it was 2 or 3 years ago. So this is equipment. This computer works fine, but trouble is this micro switch here, because it's click. Maybe you can hear it, but not working. Working, but you have to push force to it. So it must be replaced by new one. This is okay, pad is okay, all is okay. So we have to replace this small button which is under this switch. So enough talking. We have to remove battery. Lock. Then is unlock. Then is unlock. Battery is removed. You have to remove always battery when you do something with computers. Sometimes. And here we have a switch which is trouble. And let's see if you see what I see. This small button is broken. I think it is a very simple malfunction. The beer was inside and it's corroded, so we have to replace it, and it will be all okay. Let's try to remove this. Let's try it. can do this in many other ways, but this is simple way. Just okay. You have to be careful, and it should be this. This is earth pad. This is earth pad. The best way to remove such elements is not to use this how I do this now, but you should use hotair. But as I told you, the method is not important, important is effect. If you do this delicate, it will be okay. By method you use, it's not important how you're doing this, but if you do this well, it will be okay. Yes, we have a pad now. Now we use my favorite cleaner, some alcohol to clean this from flux. I use it to remove switch. Okay. Now it's time to place a new one switch. Okay. I seeking and nothing found. So for now, this is my computer. So for now I can do a small mod here. I do not have original switch like the new one, so I place a micro switch from this. Simply I can solder and it will work, but I will replace this by new one, but after those our Easter, so please forgive my mod, but I need this computer to my work, so I have to replace this by thing I have simply. So replace this original switch by such, not especially original, but it should work fine. So as I told you, now we have used the new one thermopad. Because I always do this, do new thermopads when I repair something like that. As I told you before, it's for my protection, and because I like do such things in right way. The switch I use is very good quality, so there is maybe I do not need to replace this by original, and if I know myself, this computer is for my work, So I think I will replace this, but it could take some time. First I have to order such switch, and by the Easter I can do this, so it will take a moment to order one. Oh yes, there is. There is a trouble. Here. How's the bug? Remove from this, old, clean. And now, let's put it together, back. And should it work? If I'm not mistaken, of course, it should work fine. Let's remove this. This foil. One, two, and three. And let's see. Have put as you can see, this connector is closed. This connector is closed. Yes, yes, good. Now you can simply put case back, close that tricks here. As always, one is nice and just pull back itself. So we have to pull him out something. I do not know why, but I always have trouble with it. So from this place it's closed. Now put back here. And screw here back. Not this one. Put the memory inside. Close. Close one. Screw 2. Screw 3. And 4. Now pull back. Oops. Why? Oh yeah, I forgot. Okay. Battery put back, close, and power on, and pray. We don't screw anything because it's powering on. It's my job computer, external job computer, or my movie player when I am in home. Yeah, please. It's clicking. Question is if it is working. If not, we will unscrew this baby back, but after Easter holidays, because I have to order original switch for this baby. Okay, mouse is working, and yep, it is working. Okay, case working. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10. Okay. If you need to know. When this computer was floated, this part, this keys was replaced by new, because I do not want repair such thing, because simply it is not possible to repair such case. Even if you do this, it will work 1 week, 2 weeks, and the computer will back to you. In this particular moment, it will not back to you, but you can work on such device, because this is not possible to work on such device. Okay. Yes, baby back. Good switch is very important. I think this switch works better than the original new one. It is software, but this is only my opinion, so this is not important to you. But if somebody just asks me if I think this is better switch on my mod or original was better. Before flooding, I think this is better because it's softer and precise. I do not need to put necessary force like I have to do before flooding. So if I know myself, I think it will stay in this way. So I never replace this by this original switch. I will use this my switch, but we shall see. Maybe it will work 1 week or 2 weeks and just simply went off. So then we will replace it by original one. But for now, I think it is working very nice and will stay. So if you need to replace such switch, you know now how to remove this shield, how to unscrew all screws, and how to put back this small baby back. And for now will be all, guys and girls, girls and guys. So till the next movie. Maybe I just find something new for you. Bye bye. Hope to see you again.